Well, here we are again. Morgan's Bluff, still. After 2 days, it seems like a week. But 3 days, my crew says. It's time to move on. So let's have a chat with the crew. There's the crew.
Well,
Okay, crew, what up?
the sun finally came out and it was a tolerable day. We had actually a great day of getting rides and meeting the local flavor. They're very friendly people. But I'm excited to move on.
She's ready to move on. Well, Anhinga is ready to move on. Dinghy's back aboard. There's the one sole sailboat that's still here. They might be here for a while. Everything's stowed. Shoes are semi-dry. Crew is obviously raring to go and ready. The dolphin lure has seen its better day. We had a dolphin on, followed by a barracuda, followed by nothing, and we couldn't figure out why they weren't biting until we saw that mangled bait. Okay, see you in the AM.
This is the tongue of the ocean. It's warm, very wet. 4 to 6 feet swells and waves. David is navigating it beautifully. It's quite a ride. A little exhilarating. We have about 4 more hours of this and we'll head to New Providence Island. These don't even show half the waves that we've been over. A little wet. A whole lot of fun.
What up?
New Providence Island. Very happy to be here. We're still in very deep water, maybe 8,000 feet. Can't tell. It's a beautiful day. Getting warm right now. It was pretty cold out there. David's doing an excellent job of getting us anywhere safely. Have something to say, David?
It's not rough anymore.
Amen. Look at this on film. Beautiful, incredible looking place. This is Lydford Key. I don't know what those are. They look like huts. I don't know if you